Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're fascinated by technology and the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered drones. What are they, how do they work, and what can they do? Let's explore this exciting topic together. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an AI-powered drone, and how is it different from your standard drone? Let's break it down. At its core, an AI-powered drone is any unmanned aerial vehicle that utilizes artificial intelligence to enhance its functionality and performance. Unlike traditional drones, which primarily rely on pre-programmed instructions or manual control, AI-powered drones can analyze their environment, make decisions in real time, and adapt to changing conditions. This is achieved through advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques. Let's explore some of the key features that set AI-powered drones apart. First off, we have autonomous navigation. This means these drones can fly without human intervention. They use GPS data, computer vision, and various sensors to understand their surroundings and navigate safely, avoiding obstacles along the way. For instance, companies like Skidio have developed drones that can autonomously track subjects while dodging trees and buildings, making them incredibly useful for filming and outdoor sports. Next up is object recognition. AI-powered drones are equipped with powerful cameras and machine learning algorithms that enable them to identify and categorize objects in real time. This capability opens up a world of possibilities. For example, in agriculture, drones can analyze crops, identify pests, or even assess plant health by recognizing specific signs of distress. This technology helps farmers make informed decisions and optimize their yields. Another fascinating feature is data collection and analysis. AI-powered drones can gather vast amounts of data from their surroundings. This data can be processed and analyzed to derive insights that would be difficult to obtain manually. For instance, in disaster management, drones can survey affected areas, gather data about infrastructure damage, and help first responders prioritize their efforts. Let's not forget about swarming technology. This is where multiple drones work together to accomplish a task. AI algorithms enable them to communicate and coordinate with each other, whether it's for mapping large areas, conducting search and rescue missions, or delivering packages. Companies like Zipline are already using drone swarms to deliver medical supplies to remote areas, revolutionizing logistics and healthcare access. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds amazing. But what about the challenges? Great question. While AI-powered drones have immense potential, they also face several hurdles. Privacy concerns are significant. How do we ensure that drones don't invade personal spaces? Additionally, regulatory frameworks are still catching up with technology. Many countries are working on laws to govern drone use, especially concerning air traffic and safety. Moreover, the integration of AI adds a layer of complexity. Ensuring that these systems are secure from hacking or malfunction is crucial. Any failure could lead to dangerous situations, especially in densely populated areas. In summary, AI-powered drones represent a fascinating intersection of technology and innovation. They can navigate autonomously, recognize and analyze objects, collect valuable data, and even swarm together to complete complex tasks. While challenges remain, the potential applications of these drones in various fields, from agriculture to disaster response and beyond, are truly exciting. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the amazing world of technology, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about AI-powered drones? Do you see them playing a significant role in our future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.